Hey, what's up everybody? Today we're gonna talk about Deribit and Bybit trading bot. So basically, if you're not subscribed to the channel, kindly hit the subscribe button, turn on post notification, and leave a thumbs up to the video. And let's get started. So basically, before we start on every video, so I just want you to know what is Prove It. So basically, it's a keto diet product which could help you lose weight and of course better focus and yeah, many much more amazing things if you know what is keto diet about, and of course it can give you eventually improve your health and stuff. So yeah, basically if you're keen in the product, can use my referral link, click on it, and after that do your own research over here. So the products that they offer is under the website over here. This is all the flavor and stuff, and of course you can learn more about keto, what is it about and stuff. And of course, to be very honest, you are able to earn money from this Prove It website as well. So if you're interested in earning money like what I'm doing right now, so basically promoting it and people buying it, and after that you're able to earn money from the purchase and stuff. So if you're interested in that scheme, and of course before you sell the product you have to test it out yourself. So basically I've been using it for quite a long time, and it has been showing me improvement and on my health and stuff. So that's why I'm promoting this to you. So let's get started on the Deribit and Bybit. So let's call it Bliq bot. So basically this is their official Bliq safest trading bot, low risk high reward. So basically I'm gonna this is their poster and of course their advertisement on Bitcoin Talk. So basically this is the name of the bot right now, renew and revamp. So basically it's Bliq. I do not know how to pronounce, but I will just call it Bliq. So Bliq is, yeah, for me it is Bliq. So basically right now they are currently on Deribit and of course on Bybit. Unfortunately on the Bybit itself, my account has been already connected to their API and stuff, but due to Bybit's the API, so basically on their API itself, the backend is kind of troublesome and they will need to set up a VPN, not a VPN, a server down there to link with their how do I say it, the API on Bybit, so that to make sure that your API doesn't expire every 2 months and stuff. So basically they're upgrading and stuff, and yeah, making experience on Bybit possible. But right now I'm only connected to their Deribit. I'm gonna show you my investments, how much I put in and how much it's total investment worth now. So basically yeah, just gonna read through the poster over here. So the first hedge fund grade Bitcoin investment. So finally get some sleep and let your Bitcoin grow up to 50% plus ROI. So that's a lot of money. And after that you can join them on their Telegram. So basically they have a bot over here. The bot is this over here, called Bliq subbot. So basically it is Bliq subbot. Just head over to Telegram and just type. So basically what I need to do over here is once you head over here, just click on slash and start. And after that you just slash help. So basically on the slash help you will see all the commands that is possible for you. So let's say if you are referred by me, and of course if let's say you have some you have been referred by a friend or something like this, you can just head over here, click on the slash refer, and after that what you need to do is just submit my Telegram name. So basically just add simply everything over here, edit, so simply everything. So once you hit on it, and yeah, basically you will see you can enter my referral. Once you enter my referral, you are already eligible for the thingy. So let's say if you want to know more, you can just click on all the commands over here. So the first thing you want to do is subscribe. So basically you will need to choose the Deribit, and after that they'll ask you how much Bitcoin would like to be to invest onto your account on your Deribit. So basically let's say you want to do a testing 0.25. So basically over here has been successfully saved. You need to send them your API key. So head over to Deribit and sign up the account, and of course basically just set up a API, and after that you are able to get the bot running. So basically the interesting thing is right now they have a New Year promotion. So the first month is for free. So basically to gain your confidence and stuff, the first month they are giving out is for free, totally free, on Deribit itself, and of course on Bybit when the bot is running and updated. I'm gonna update on my channel as well. So basically yep, you can read everything over here on the bot itself. Basically on their Bitcoin talk. So basically on the pricing itself, so how much is the pricing? Normally they charge a 5% one-time management. So basically what does that mean? Let's say you have 1 Bitcoin for investment. So basically you send in 1 Bitcoin, you need to pay that 1 Bitcoin 5% of the 1 Bitcoin, which is 0.05 Bitcoin around there for the one-time subscription fee, and after that 30% of profit sharing every 2 weeks. So basically every 2 weeks they're gonna take 30% of the profit sharing made from the trading on your account itself. So basically you need to send them your money. They can't just withdraw your money over here, because it is your API, your account, and everything is under your control. And for the referral program, which is gonna benefit me if let's say you're gonna use my referral link or something. So basically you can get I can get a lifetime of 20% profit sharing revenue. So yeah, the terms are over here. So basically what are we? They are offering the first month for free. They are professionals, they are safe and easy to use, and of course profitable, and of course they are close to their customer. They really talk to you about their stuff and this and that. How does everything works, and basically they are not a signal group, not amateurs, not gambler, and of course yeah, blah blah blah. So basically everything here is their promotional thingy. So basically you are interested, you can just head over here, and after that see what is this promotion about. And I want to show you the real results over here, the live thingy. So over here you can see my bot, the bot has been running and going quite well. So basically on the trading chart itself, I have earned 1 Bitcoin. I have placed 1 Bitcoin, and as of today is the 1.0157. So I'm gonna do a record down. 1.0157, which is my current balance. So basically just want to show to you guys that the bot is legit and it is running. So the history is here. Just gonna show you the transaction log in case you say that I cheated or something. So basically how does it work is over here you can see during the first day of my trading over here. Over here the bot has been trading. Eventually the bot made some losses and stuff, and over time the bot managed to overcome it and made more profit as usual. So basically over here you can see a little bit of loss, and after that over here this is the latest balance last recorded, and right now the equity is this. So basically if you're interested over here, I'm gonna scroll it down slowly. You can see, pause the video if you need to and do your own analysis. So basically the bot has been trading for around 14 days plus minus, I would say, and within 14 days I already earned 0.015 Bitcoin, which is fantastic. It's really a lot, especially right now, the free bonus period, and of course the market is swinging up and down. So basically you can see the profit of this within 14 days. I would say around 14 to 15 days you are able to make 0.0157, which is a lot. Go and calculate yourself how much percentage and stuff. So basically if you're interested in this bot, just sign up on Deribit, and what you need to do is just fund your Deribit account depending on how much you want to test out, and of course stuff like this. So basically for me, my testing is 1 Bitcoin, so I send in 1 Bitcoin and basically the bot is running. And over here you can use the Bliq subbot to talk about this, subscribe and stuff. But if you want to give you want to talk to the developers for more option, like to know more about this the Deribit bot, you can just head over here, go to that bot and click on /help, and just click on this join, and over here you will be led to this group, and from there you can just ask them questions and stuff like this. So basically it's a new channel, quite new one, because previously shit happened. And of course if you are in Lucas group or something, basically they have already told you, hi, you have to use my referral link on BitMax to somehow connect your account, and your account will be somehow reflected. Just some hustle, and after that for you to create the account under his referral link, because basically he can earn from what I've said in the previous video. what his scheme, what is he plotting about is somehow true. Yeah, basically I'm not gonna fight that he's not a scammer or stuff like this, but basically I would say scamming, he's not technically scamming you, but he is somehow tricking you to make him more money instead of what the Bliq bot developers are doing to make money together. So basically they have already proven one point, and after that this is my result for only 14 days or 15 days of trading. And to be very honest, it is free right now. There's no harm. They are not able to take my funds out and stuff like this because API keys has been set on how the requirement is going to be. So basically they have no access to my wallet. They only can see my wallet, and of course for withdrawal they are able to read only, they can't execute anything. So basically on my account they are only able to place orders like this. They already be able to place the orders and set the prices, like how much entry, and of course when they want to exit and stuff. But for my wallet itself, they have no control over my wallet, so it is me that have control over my wallet, so I can withdraw the funds as I like. So basically you can see the bot is doing quite well. And of course that's the end of the video. And of course if you are interested, you can head over to my Excel sheet, and of course link is down below. Everything is gonna be linked down below, and the step-by-step guide as well. So if you are interested in the video, interested in this Deribit bot, feel free to head over to the Telegram group and of course ask more questions, and from there do your own due diligence and think about the possibility that you can have. And of course if you are interested in supporting the channel, use my referral link. Or if not, let's say you do not like to use referral link, instead you like to give money, basically down below there's a donation link, or Bitcoin address. You can just copy it and send me some Bitcoin if you feel like it. But to be very honest, I do not want you to spend money like this, but instead you can use the referral program. Basically you need to spend $0 and you just use my referral program links, and basically you will I will earn from there, and which is that also support my channel as well. So that's the end of this video. Hope you like the video. See you on the next one, and peace.